Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to host virtual events in Gather. First, open Gather and sign in to your account. After logging in, enter your workspace. As you can see, I'm already inside my Gather office. This virtual space can be used to host online meetings, workshops, team events, presentations, or other virtual activities. Before inviting participants, make sure your workspace is ready. You can arrange meeting areas, tables, presentation spaces, or other objects to match the type of event you want to host. On the right side of the screen, you can see the members panel. When people join your workspace, their names will appear here, making it easy to see who is attending your event. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the microphone and camera controls. These allow you to manage your audio and video during the event. You can mute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and adjust your settings whenever needed. You can also switch to meeting view if you want a better view while talking with participants. In this demonstration, I'm the only person inside the workspace, so no live event is taking place. That's completely normal. When you invite other participants and they join the same Gather space, they can move around, interact with each other, and automatically join conversations as they get close to one another. This makes Gather an excellent platform for virtual offices, online classrooms, workshops, networking sessions, and community events because it creates a more natural and interactive experience than a standard video call. And that's how you can host virtual events in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.